action method. So by default, already one action method is coming in your view. Now we'll try to understand about that. Developing action method. Note, action method should be public and non-static. You can observe the action method is what public, and it should not have non-static means it is instance method. Nothing but it should not have static keyword. That's it. That's the reason you observe public. Method name is index. Static keyword means generally whenever you are defining a static method, we'll use static keyword. Then it is called static method. If you don't have static keyword, it is called non-static method or instance method. To understand this, we don't require to understand more clear about this. That is static methods and are part of the C#.NET language. Okay, so we don't require to worry. So wherever the connectivity is there, I'll touch that area. It should be non-static method, nothing but instance method. Remember this. Here, access modifier of the method should be public, and method name is user defined, and return type return type is action result. By default, you have one action method. The return type is action result. What is this action result? And you have a return statement also. You observe you have a return statement. It is saying that return view. Okay. View result. What is view? View of. What is view result? Here try to understand. Return view of means what exactly? Yeah, view result means what type of return types it can contain. I'll show you here. View of F12. View is a predefined method. You can observe. View is a predefined method. View is a predefined. View of is a predefined method. That method return type is what? Return type is what? View
result.
View result. But actually here method return type is what? Action result. Our method is return type is what? Action result. Are you clear? So with this, what is the point is view result superclass, view result base superclass is what?
Action result.
Present, you just think about that. Your action method return type should be action result. It is a superclass of view result, parent class of view result. Okay, so finally what this statement will do, return view means what is your action method name? Index. I want to add a view. How to add a view? I want to add a view. View is nothing but I want to add a web page. I want to add a web page. I want to add a web page to my application. Means how to add a web page in MVC, right click on index of action method, add view. What is it? Add view. Now it is showing the name. What is the name? View name? Index. Means view name is nothing but web page name. Okay, uncheck this checkbox. Use of layout. Master page is not using by your application. Uncheck. Click add button. Now one view is added. Here. What is the view name? What is the view name? Index and the extension is .cs HTML. Finally, you can see index.cs HTML. Here the point is view name and action method name both are same or different? Hello, both are same or different? Right now, same. View name and action method name. Action method name is what?
Index.
Index. View name is what? Index. So like that, action method name and view name should be same. For example, same. So then what will happen? Whenever you run this application, request is received by home controller. Home controller is handovering that request to which action method?
Index.
Index action method. Now index action method is returning index action method is communicating the view. Which view it will communicate? Which view it will communicate? Index view. It will communicate index view. Then it will communicate index view and it will process, it will display. Here I have written welcome to ASP.NET MVC. Then it will return index view, return view. It will return the view with the same name of action method. Right now, what is that same name of action method? What is the view name? What is the view
Index.
name? Index dot.
.htm.
Due to that reason, what will happen? Whenever you run the application, you can observe how this is executing. I'm explaining. I run the application. When I run the application, build, start debugging. Now, when you run the application, the request is coming to the controller. What is the name of the controller?
Home controller.
Home controller. Home controller will be giving that request to one action method called
Index.
index. Index action method has only one statement. What is the statement?
Return view.
Return view. Then it will return the view which name is same as our action method called
Index.
X. Due to that reason, it will return index.cs HTML web page. When the page is loading, it will display what? Welcome to ASP.NET MVC. This view, it will return this view, index.cs HTML view, returning by action method to the browser. That's why browser will display this web page. Are you understanding? Suppose you want to display different action method. Suppose you want to display different action method, different view, not index.cs HTML view. Are you clear? In that case, for example, we will see that also. Add view, my view, my view. Let's try this also. This name is my view. Copy, click add. Now it's adding my view.cs HTML. Okay, h1, welcome to my view page. This is my view.cs HTML. Whenever you run this, I don't want to display index. I want to display my view. Then you have to write return view of my view. Return view of my view. Now compilation. Return is a statement. It will return the given value. Start debugging. Starts debugging. Okay. So observe start debugging. Request is received by home controller. Home controller is giving request to action method called
Index.
Index is returning view. View of which view? My view. My view.cs. That's why my view page is displaying. When my view page is displaying, body code will execute. Welcome to my view page. So that is the story. Understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
That is the functionality of action method. That is the functionality of action methods. Okay. Now